Today I am making these two shirts for a uncle. So if you're interested on how I did it, stay tuned. Alright, so I have my design space opened up. The first thing I want to do is start adding the text. So it's going to be all caps on, and I'm going to type in the word that I want on the shirt. And I'm going to change the color of the words to white. And then I want to size it. First, let me take the unlock it. And then that way I can just slide to the left and get it down to a size that I like for right now. And then I'm going to lock it back. And then the next, I'm going to do another text box. Type in the word. Put that up there. I'm going to move this down. Make this also white. And then this one, I want to make it bigger, but I want to maintain the ratio. So I'm not going to unlock it. And then I want to change the font. So let me find the font that I like. I saw this font the other day, and I think it's stamped. Yes, this one. And once again, change it back to white. And then I need to make it the size that I want. And that looks good. So then what I also want to do is have these lined up with each other. So I'm going to do Control and then click on that one. And then I'm going to do Align. And then align horizontally. So it moved this part over a little bit, which is good because now it's like in the center of all these words. And then now, if you want to see how it's going to look on the shirt, I'm happy with this. So I'm going to click on the template and then find the shirt. And of course it changed the screen, so we're going to make that back that color. The shirt is going to be gray, so I'm going to make it gray. And it's going to be large. And then I want to group, go ahead and group the shirt. Group the letters together. And so this is what it's going to look like on the shirt. I'm happy with this, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. and then I'll be back with the other design I'm going to make, and then I'm going to cut both of them out. Alright, so I'm back now doing the other design that I want to make for the shirt. And for this one, I actually Googled the image, saved it on my computer, and now I'm going to upload it. So I'm going to go to upload image, browse, and then find the image that you're looking for, and that's it right there. I always choose complex, but it doesn't matter because but I always choose complex, and then hit continue, and then click preview to see if there's any cleanup that needs to be made, and it doesn't. So now I'm going to do continue, and I'm going to do this as a cut image. So then you would click cut image and save. I already have it on there, so I'm not going to save it. So I'm just going to cancel for now, and then go to images. Go to upload. This is the image right here. So I'm going to upload, hit insert image, and then we're going to size it. I'll leave it for that size for now. And then I'm going to do a text. And I'm going to change the font, and I think it's fantastic. Maybe groovy. Here it is. And then I'm going to also size that to be in relation to the sunglasses, but I want it a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to group them together. And I want it to be white again. And now I'm going to do my template to see how it looks on the shirt. And it's, move this over. The shirt is going to be gray. No. And then now I can size it. And that looks good to me. So I'm going to save it, and then I'll be back once it's cut. And to cut it out, you would just click make it, and then follow the prompts on the screen for your machine to cut it out. So I'm going to meet you guys at my machine and cutting this out. Alright, so I'm ready to put the design on the shirt. So I have my shirt here. The first thing I want to do is I'm using the Easy Press. So the Easy Press is set to 330 degrees for 30 seconds. And this is 100% cotton. So first thing I want to do is get all the wrinkles out and preheat the area for like 5 seconds. This also gets the moisture out of the material. I also want to make sure it's center, so I'm going to fold the shirt in half. And then press right there. And so it makes that little light line there in the center. So I'm going to take my design and I'm going to also fold that to get the center of the design. So I put a light fold right there and then a fold right there. And then I place it on the center. And then for this shirt, I'm going to go down like 4 fingers width. And that looks good. And then now I'm going to place the Easy Press on with light pressure for 30 seconds. And I move it over and do that part for another 30 seconds. And then what I like to do is I like to always turn it over and then press the opposite side for like 15 seconds. Alright, now I'm going to let it cool just a little. And then for this, it's a warm peel. And there it is. That looks good. And then you repeat the process for the other shirt. And I'll be back once the other shirt is complete so you can see the finished design for that one. Alright, so here is the second shirt. And this one is the first shirt. So I am pleased with how they both came out, and they were Etsy, or excuse me, Pinterest inspired shirts. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe.